Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jordana. And if not, then thank you for coming back and taking the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, I do beauty videos, reviews, tutorials, whatever you guys ask from me about everything that's related to makeup and beauty products. And I post videos 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Right now, I'm gonna show you a small haul and I'm gonna show you different type of products that I've gotten throughout the past month. So if you wanna see this haul and the stuff that I got, then just keep on watching. I have a few things right here. They're not that many, but I didn't want these to grow because I'm going to the US soon, and I know that even though I say I'm not gonna buy a ton of things, maybe I will buy a few things, and I don't want to have a extremely huge collective haul. I prefer to show you and talk more about the products that I just got. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you the non-makeup products. And my feet, I know it's TMI, but my feet have been looking awful because I love being barefoot. They were starting to be rough and I don't like that. I prefer my feet to be soft. So I've started to not be barefoot as much, but you know that with time, with age, with being barefoot all my life, then you get a lot of roughness in your feet. I decided to take better care of my feet, but I needed to do something to reset them. So I was looking for a peeling mask because I've seen those before. So I bought this one on Amazon. Everything I will link below. This is an efficient food peeling mask, and then it comes with a whitening, nourishing food mask. So the peeling mask, I already used it. I just saved it to show it to you, and it works. I'm not gonna show you because it's actually disgusting, and now my feet are peeling, but it works throughout the entire week. So you start not seeing any results after about the 3rd day, and then your feet start to peel and they look pinky and pretty again. So I love the peeling mask. And on the 7th day, which is in about 3 days, I will put the whitening nourishing food mask, and I will let you guys know afterwards my thoughts on the product. But right now, so far, I love it because my feet were just looking not their best. And on the same stinky feet subject, I got a callus eliminator, and this one I also got from Amazon, and the reviews on this one were amazing. And this one I got to take to my salon, so every time I get a pedicure they will put this on my feet and put them in water and use this foot file just to remove any calluses or any harshness on my feet. If I do this often, then I won't have to do the peeling mask. I get a pedicure almost every 3 weeks. I could do it every week because here is super cheap to do it, but I'm lazy about it. So every time I go, now I'm gonna take this. I already tried it also, and it's really good on removing everything that's on the surface and removing dead skin from the feet. So if you want your feet to look better and softer before starting to hydrate them more at night, as you should, then these products have been working for me and I've seen a difference. I don't show pictures or anything because I think feet are kind of personal. I just wanted to let you guys know that those are working for me so far. I've used self tanner for a while now. I went into the $1 Million Tan, then I got into Vita Liberata, which I adore. It's one of my all-time favorites. Then I got into the tan, what's the name of the one that everyone loves? Since I'm in Colombia, sometimes sending mousse products is hard and they can explode on the way or whatever unless I bring them in my suitcase. Who doesn't agree with me that it would be better to be tan and to make it easier and affordable? Because I think everyone agrees with me that that's the best way to go. And for me, the Jergens Natural Glow is the way to go. So I recently, since I always buy the small bottles or the squeezy tubes, I found these to be in Subscribe and Save on Amazon. And since I have about 5 items every month from the Subscribe and Save, I save 15% off. And this is a daily moisturizer. I use it twice. So I use it today and then I use it tomorrow, and then the tan lasts for about 7 days, and then it starts to fade in the most weird way, but it's still my favorite product, and I've gone through these like crazy. I've gotten this, I don't remember how many times. It's a staple in my collection, and it has been for about 6 years now. So it's beautiful, it's gradual. If you want to use it for an entire week, you will get super, super tan. I don't like to look that dark, but I like getting a tan, and I like to match my foundations that I've told you guys before are super dark for me. I'm about to finish a squeezy tube that has about less than half the amount that this one has, and now this one will last me for about 3 months or so. So yeah, this is a product that I would highly recommend, and I've been repurchasing this for years. This is the Jergens Natural Glow, and I get mine in the medium tan. I haven't tried the lighter one, but some people say that they love it. And that one, you basically apply it as a moisturizer, which is another good thing. ¿Qué estás viendo, mi amor? Two powders that I got, and I've mentioned them before that I got them, but I never showed them to you, are my Marc Jacobs Finish Line Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder, which is a translucent powder by Marc Jacobs, and the Veil Translucent Powder by Hourglass, which is what everyone is talking about lately. And I'm gonna give you an overview of these two, but I'm gonna do an in-depth review later. The Mineral Veil Powder, even though it's beautiful, I adore it. I find it to be a lot similar to the La Mer Old Formula in one sense, and that's that it keeps your skin looking luminous, but it sets your makeup. The thing with this one is that it doesn't stop my oils from coming through, but it looks beautiful when you set your face. So I love it, but it's not something that I can use as a go-to for my T-zone or for every day, because it doesn't help with my oils. Maybe if I'm in other weather, or maybe if I want to set everything on my cheeks, that way the highlighter, if I use a cream highlighter, will still pick through and it will give me sort of a glow. And then on the other hand, I love the Marc Jacobs one, which gives me more of a matte finish. It's good. I love the scent. The only thing that I hate about this one, it's the packaging. Some people love the nets, but I want to just cut them and get to the powder quickly. So this one I really like. I prefer this one, but this one works better for me. Her name is Bella, by the way. I'm gonna leave her Instagram someplace on the screen. Voluminous Carbon Black, waterproof. I don't need to say anything. You guys know this is holy grail for me. I put it in a subscribe and save, and now I will have one every 2 months because I love it and I can't live without it. I mainly bought it because of my kit. I can't not have this on my kit. It's what I use on every client, on every bride. It works beautifully, and if I have a crier, then I go with this and a top coat of my Raincoat by Ulta, because Anastasia discontinued their top coat. But it's basically, I don't need to put anything on top of that because it's completely waterproof. For lips, I'm not sure if I showed the Givenchy lip glow on my last haul. I think I didn't because it was sold out. But I got, again, my Givenchy lip glow. You guys know that I adore this. I just showed it on my empties, and that's how much I've already gone through because I use this a ton. I love the packaging. It's so beautiful and sleek. I love it. It's pink leather. And then another one that I didn't think I showed it to you guys because that came with my powders is the lip glow in the shade Coral Glow. And this is also stunning, and it's what I'm wearing right now on my lips. And oh my goodness, I've been obsessing over this. This is the Dior Addict lip glow in the shade Coral Glow. And this is amazing. I want it in every shade except for the lilac one. But oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You guys need to try this one. The color wasn't as orange as I was expecting, because even though it said coral, I thought it was gonna be orange, but it's more reddish and pinky, more coral. I would love for them to come out with an orange shade, but this is beautiful and it's now a staple in my collection. I always keep these two or this one, which is the Dior Lip Glow in the shade Matte Raspberry on my bag, and this one was Alana's fault, and now I want the other one, the matte pink, and these I've used a ton also. So now I want every Dior lip glow, and they just came up with a new Givenchy color. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. These three lippies, I don't know if I showed them on my last haul, but these are good and I recently got them. I know that if one or two of them I got with the powder, so there's no way that I showed them on the last haul. And then I got these because I've been wanting to try these since forever. This is the Perfect Cover BB Cream by Misha. And I've used this twice already. I wanted it a shade lighter because I thought this was gonna match me better. And it's just a hint darker than me. A hint. So I want the shade 23. I'm obsessed with it. This has to be now taking the place of my Hourglass Hyaluronic Skin Tint. And this is way cheaper. Oh my god, this is beautiful on the skin. And the feeling of it is perfection, because the one from Hourglass is a little bit moussey. This is more liquidy, and the way it blends into your skin is beautiful for every day. I love that it has even way more SPF than that. It has SPF 42, and it's just perfection. You guys know that anything that's for the skin that's Asian, it's better than anything American. So yeah, this is really, really good. And the last product on the haul was this sample from the Urban Decay new lip glosses. And this one, I think I'm gonna try it on a get ready with me or something to try new products. But these may be going to one of my sisters-in-law because I like the formula and I like the scent of it. It's a minty feeling. But the cool toneness of this lip gloss and the shimmer of it, it doesn't really... It's not really for me. I'm gonna apply it right now so you guys can see. And I already have a lipstick put on, but this by itself, it's so cool tone that I don't like it. It looks on me by itself like a kind of a cheap pink and not like a glamorous or a rosy pink. Now it looks beautiful because I have the Dior Coral Glow underneath. But by itself, I just do not enjoy it. Maybe I will take it with me on my trip, and if not, I will declutter it. But this doesn't bring a lot of product anyway. So maybe I will just finish it since this was just a sample size. And that's it, guys. That's everything for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love watching hauls. So tell me, what have you gotten lately? What have you purchased lately? And if you love it or not, because maybe that way I will try a few things from your recommendations. So don't forget to go subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram, which is basically the only social media platform that I use besides YouTube. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.